We're going to go over the lineup of the Roku channels to see if it's right for you. I'm going to show you how it compares to cable and satellite, and we're going to compare cost to see if Roku is your best option. Let's look at your channel lineup. Typically, there's 3 channel groupings: basic, mid, and premium. We'll start it with the basic. Cable and satellite call this basic because it's your local networks where you watch your local news. Roku doesn't cover every local network, but it does carry some major cities. Let me show you. Here's Roku channel guide. The current channel being shown is Chicago News, Channel 5. It's an NBC affiliate. It also carries the local Chicago Fox affiliate and CBS News Chicago. Now let's look at the mid-tier. Now this is where Roku shines. A lot of the Roku channels are shared by both cable and satellite. Here's the Roku channel guide. We're going to start with kids and family. There's channels like Nastasia, Baby Shark, Caillou, Ninja Turtles, Strawberry Shortcake. Also have Ninja Kids from YouTube. A big favorite, Retro PBS, back when they had the good shows. And big popular one, Power Rangers. We'll look at crime, law channels, and more, but first, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, Roku's got home DIY, home cooking, delicious eats. Within the home shows, they have Tiny House Nation. Type home improvement shows, and you will see programming that has been on HGTV. If you see the Roku icon, that means that it's available in Roku. Now, this is on-demand programming. Roku's lineup also brings channels like The Best of Bobby Play, a lot of his popular shows from Food Network, all in one channel. So let's look at sports. You have Fox Sports programming, Tennis Channel, NFL channel, Motorsports, Major League Baseball channel, NBA. You also have HBO Boxing, Top Gear, the PGA Tour, where you get live coverage of first and second round action, UFC. Now, drama and crime. You have Ion Mysteries, Crime, Law and Order, CSI, First 48, and Dateline 24/7. Now, when your wife or your girlfriend wants to watch Hallmark, you do have the Hallmark movies and more. You can also do a search under comedy, and you will find movies that are similar to the Hallmark channel. We'll go over how much each option costs per month. First, let's look at premium channels. If you're getting value, please give us a thumbs up. In this category, you purchase live sporting events, channels like Paramount, HBO Max, Fox Nation, any channel or streaming service. Let me give you an example. As you're searching for programming you want Fixer Upper, now this is found in Magnolia Networks, or you can get it through DirecTV or HBO Max. You can sign up to premium programming or sporting events through Roku. Let's look at the cost so you can understand how you save for Roku and see if it's right for you. Cable and satellite charge for local channels. Cables charge $45, $25 for satellite. You have local channels from any of the major cities that Roku covers. If you're not in one of the cities, for $23, you can get a local antenna to get local programming for free. Now, when you're looking for mid-tier channels, this is where Roku saves you money. Cable and satellite will charge you anywhere between $50 to over $100 just to have all of those channels. But with Roku, they're free. So to watch this lineup of channels, you don't pay anything a month, but there's a hidden charge that you need to know about, and it's not from Roku. But you need to know how much premium channels cost so you know what to do about this charge. With that, cable and satellite will charge you anywhere between $90 all the way up to $180 to have premium channels. My wife had to have certain college football games, and we solved this by getting a Sling membership, and you can view it inside the Roku. Now for the surprise and hidden cost. I want to remind you that the link to how to pick the right Roku so you don't regret it and how to use Roku are in the description. When you purchase Roku, if you get the stick, that's $49.99, you pay nothing per month. If you get a local TV antenna, that's also a one-time charge and you pay nothing a month. Now the hidden cost is internet charges. If you don't already have it or use your phone, you will have to pay $50. Now if you want premium channels, you can sign up for Sling, but that will cost you at least $45. With internet, it will be $95. Thumbs up if I helped you. How to choose a Roku and how to use it in the description.